I want to share something powerful with you. These are the 3 funnels that made me affiliate commissions on autopilot, while I was sleeping, working, or even on vacation. And the best part? You can copy these strategies and start building your own passive income too. Let's get into it. Funnel number 1, the lead magnet funnel. This one is super simple but incredibly effective. I offered a free checklist related to a product I was promoting, like a funnel launch checklist. Visitors landed on my opt-in page, entered their email, and then got redirected to a bridge page where I explained the affiliate offer. Behind the scenes, I had an email sequence set up to follow up with them over the next 7 days. This funnel ran on autopilot. I just promoted the lead magnet, and the funnel did the rest. Funnel number 2, the product review funnel. This one's perfect if you're in the software or digital product niche. I recorded a review video of a tool I was using, in this case, ClickFunnels, and built a simple page where people could watch the video, read a few benefits, and click to sign up. But here's the twist. I added a bonus section. If they signed up through my affiliate link, they'd get a free funnel template, a guide, or extra training from me. That little bonus increased my conversions by over 40%, and the funnel still earns passive commissions today. Funnel number 3, the low ticket to high ticket funnel. This one is next level. I sold a $7 digital product up front, something valuable and niche specific. Once they bought it, they were taken to an upsell page where I introduced a high-ticket affiliate offer. Then they received a series of emails over the next 2 weeks, building trust and linking back to the affiliate product. This funnel helped me break even on ad spend with the $7 product and earn pure profit from the high-ticket back-end sales. That's the power of stacking value inside a funnel. All 3 of these funnels were built in ClickFunnels. No tech overwhelm, no coding, just plug-and-play strategy with consistent traffic. Right finger, want to copy my funnels? Check the video description for templates and a free ClickFunnels trial. Right finger, and if you want more passive income strategies like this, don't forget to subscribe. I post weekly breakdowns, tips, and real results. Thanks for watching. Now go build your funnels and start earning commissions on autopilot.